It should start work now. There we go. There we go. Let me put my phone on silent. Got it. Done, done, and done. Let's have a goal again. For funsies. Oh, wait, I need to pop that up. There we go. Done, I think. Are we working? Are we deciding if we're working? Okay. Looks good, I think. I think. Being the keyword there. That's done, that's done. I made that bigger, so that's cool. That's bigger. So hopefully that's better. This guy's saying that it was a little bit difficult to see. Okay. My dog's on my chair's wheel, so looks like we're staying here. Looks like we're just staying here. Oh well, that's fine. Why are things... Okay. Let's see. So it did exactly what I thought it would do. It came, took out Asia low, and then went up and took out the Asia high. It was up here. So now the question for New York today is, what the heck do we think it's gonna do? Now that it did what I wanted it to, which was weird for me to be able to call it. Good, but weird. Aw, damn it. I'm not one to trade before New York Open, or, you know, just before New York Open, because anything can happen. So I'm not going to take this. London, in Asia low, then slow grind up. Yeah. Darlene, it was good. Why are we not? Okay, give me 2 seconds. I'm getting my multi-chat thing to start working again. It's decided that it just doesn't like to work today, and that's fine. So, Solly, what do you think is going to happen now? Also, is this now better that I've made it bigger? Is there a hectic delay? So the short I took today. Long entered with 1.7k, exited at perfect levels though. Massive move. Night, well done. I actually didn't go and check it out. Sorry, it's been a hectic day. There we go. Horizontal stream, I'm sorry, I didn't see anyone's chats, so I apologize if I've missed any messages. Do I know harmonics? No, what's that? Process to profits? What is that? Okay, hey! Mayank, hi, how's it going? I don't know, I hate all-time highs. I guess we stayed bullish until further notice. Solly, I like that. That's actually very valid. That's really, really valid. Sorry, it's been a very long day. after London stream, I was on my way to the horses, and then there was 2 dogs in the middle of the road, so I stopped, and now I have to wait. And obviously I don't know a lot of people here because I'm still new to the area, so now I'm having to sit and hope that someone comes to help me because my dog was in the car with me, so I couldn't put them in the car to take them anywhere. So I was literally sitting on the side of the road for over half an hour trying to keep these 2 dogs with me. That was lots of fun. That was very entertaining. Rashi, are you serious? I can't tell if you're lying or not. If you're being serious, that's super sweet, but also, you know, work is good. Maybe don't piss off work. Post proportionally locked funded accounts, I don't destroy that. No, Knight, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Knight, you will be proud of me though. So I didn't take any trades, but I did call. Did I? No, I did say. In the beginning of it, I said, I think it's going to take out Asia lows and then go up to Asia highs. And it did that beautifully. Beautifully. It just, you know, it did absolutely nothing until later on. However, it did make me have a look at potentially when it's rangy like this, like when it's a slow grind day. That 4R strategy, mwah, like beautiful. These 1, 2, 3, 4 are all 4R trades, winning 4R trades. So I was like, maybe these slow grind days are just perfect for 4R trades, which is awesome. I just need to forward test that. Or back to, I just need to test it before I just jump into that and think this is a great idea. KV, what markets? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, the MNQ to be super specific as well. This behavior of trying to make the losses back immediately smokes up account. Yes. Yeah. I'm trying really hard to think of it as I'm not making back my money. It's just a new day and it's a new trade. Trying being the keyword. It's really hard to think that way. Lambo? Bernard? What? Night, you need 2 days to request payout. Ooh, cool. That's not bad. What made me get into this market specifically? So my friend introduced me to it and I've stuck with it because I wanted to get good at one asset before I started to jump around, KV. And that's called revenge trading. Exactly. Exactly. We don't do revenge trading here. We do FOMO here. No, I'm joking. We don't do FOMO here. We're trying really hard to work on discipline. Trying being the keyword again, but still. You're inclined to gambling on FOMC news, shorting one. Knight? Why? Yazin? I mean, I personally like prop firms. I know people have mixed opinions about prop firms, but I've always used prop firms. I think it's great for not just blowing through capital in the beginning, yeah? I think especially for new people that are new to trading so that you don't just lose all your capital. Revenge trading is sweet. No, Rashi, no! Boom Banana, FOMO, yeah, FOMO. 847 Global, what up? How's it going? How's it going? Bella, hi, how are you? Trying being keyword. Yeah, 3D crypto cam, trying being the biggest keyword there. Mad Demon, this PA scares you? Yeah. Let's see what happens. I know there's... Apparently it's not hectic news, but there's a little bit... Tiny bit of news at 4. I don't know if it'll do anything to the markets though, but let's see what happens. No, Rash, you have to drink your collagen before you trade. Why? What is FOMO? Boom banana. Fear of missing out. I know you don't have that because you're perfect, but you know, normal people have FOMO. Just saying. Don't worry, KV, he's just being boom banana. Anyways, you have FOMO. Boom, how do you have FOMO? KV, you asking what my style is, like my trading style? Michael, always. I'm always back again, always back at it. You know, another day, another trade, another lesson. Always. Hey, Matt Coda, what's up? How's it going? Move up to take out stop losses before a big drop down. Ooh, Justin, really? Justin, you maybe called this beautifully. Let's see what happens now. Wow. Boom. You're such a bully. There's evidence right there of Boom Banana being a bully, just saying. You all see it? Okay, I will respond to people now. Sorry, I was very quiet there. Okay, let's see what today brings. Let's see what today brings. Like I said, I'm a little bit tired now. I don't know why. So mentally, if I'm not in it today, it might just be better to close the charts. But let's see. Maybe today brings some proper things, which will be cool. I mean, all-time highs are scary. Maybe it would help if... Oh, that's not great. That's not what I like to see. Okay. Okay. Interest rate, a rate cut. Oh, damn, Knight. Okay. 2 books to read for all traders. Market Wizards, 1989. Stock operations coming up. Bujay, let's go. Man walks into a bar and asks, they have helicopter chips? No. We only have plane. Oh my gosh. Skeletor. I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. But moving on. Oh, sorry, Matt. Yeah, I think YouTube had an upgrade, or maybe the multi-chat I have had an upgrade. I'm not sure. I'm sorry. But yes, that's what it's decided to do. This is not great. Look, Justin, this looks like it's doing exactly what you thought it would. Did I read your comment? Joe, what did you say? No. Oh, yep. What is MNQ? No, it's futures. It is futures. Hey, Thomas, how you doing? How's it going? Tom is... I nearly called you Tom, I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry. This market is wild. Yep. Crypto is mad volatile, only buy BTC and never sell. Also, most investors outperform most traders with time. Okay, how many times have I round tripped? What does that even mean? Rashi, aren't I supposed to be teaching you? No. No, no, no. No, 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 no. This is teach Maya trading, not Maya teach trading. Sniffies, what up? How's it going? I mean, the London session did exactly what I thought it was. It was slow, super slow, but in the beginning I said it's going to take out Asia low and head for Asia high. I've already deleted Asia high, but it did. It came. You could see it took out Asia low at the bottom here and slow grind up to Asia high. Now, I have no idea. I have no clue what to expect. That's the fun of all-time highs, and I'm not loving the fact that ES looks like this. ES is barcoding. And NQ is doing this. Let's see, maybe it starts dropping down. Matt, how's the trading going today? So I mean, this morning, I was keen on potentially forward testing the 4R strategy. Apparently on slow grind days, the 4R strategy seems like it would work really, really well, which is awesome. Like using the 4R strategy, I would have had 4 wins this morning. I just like had a little bit of a back test with it and I was like, damn. 4R wins is amazing. You need to change setting, showing username on live stream chat. Okay, I'll have a look at that night, thanks. Hey Rambo, what's up? How's it going? That's super weird that it just did that though. Let me have a look here. Appearance, no. Language, no. Counts. No. 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 Well, definitely not here. Nope. Not that either. Nope. Let me have a look. Let me go into settings now. One username different than before. Okay. Let me have a look at it just now, Night. I mean, I could look at it now because this is not doing much. Anyway, Thomas, Boom Banana, Solly, what you guys, well actually everyone, what you guys looking for, hoping for today? Are we all kind of just sitting on our hands waiting to see if there's some confirmation? What's the plans? Ooh, Thomas, nice. You had a good long early this morning. That's amazing. Oh. Heavy, yes, I think. I would have had a crazy day if I left a runner. Yeah, apparently. Sniffies, you're predicting a reversal here. Why? Just out of curiosity. Yeah. Jose losing steam. Yeah. Didn't make an entry, but I probably should have. Well, Justin, you know, was there confirmation for your strategy? Did it look like it would have been a good one? For me, this does not look great. For now, let's see. Apparently tomorrow and Thursday are going to be awesome to trade, but right now this does not look super promising. Do I believe in astral projection? Cardiff? I don't know. I don't know. I think so. I'm open to it, if that makes sense. Most traders don't even brush their teeth before trading. Pretty savage out there, damn Rashi. Oh my gosh. Hey Osvaldo, good morning, good morning. Just got out of work, sure. Nice. How's trading going? It's a slow day today. Yeah, it's a slow day today. So I'm gonna do this out of curiosity. I'm not taking this trade. Like I said, I'm trying really hard to be better at waiting for an A plus, oh English, for an A plus setup. Not just getting FOMO because everyone else is getting trades in, you know, mainly just the mental part of things. I think that's it. Dr. David Paul. Okay, KV, let's have a look into him. 9:30 inversion. One done posts. What up? Boom banana. What? Okay, news comes out in 30 minutes and you're just watching. Cool, cool. So this is the 1 minute time frame. Curtis couldn't stay away. Looking forward to the New York. Nice. Long wick up to sweep liquidity and wick down, taking out previous lows. Hey, at first name, last name. What's up? How's it going? London PM will be good. Ah, only true trader, really? Why is that? Moving trends. Okay, I looked it up. Please use the handles instead of usernames in YouTube's new updates so that people don't impersonate others in chat. And it cannot be reversed. Oh, interesting, Knight. Thanks. That's very interesting. Okay, so I guess these are now the new things. Sorry, can't have your cool nicknames unless you change your username to your cool nicknames, I guess. Son, no risk, no reward. Yeah, true. But dumb risk, dumb losses, I guess, in the same breath. Talk to my double. Terrence, what up? How's it going? 1 hour trade for me and a hit TP. Ooh, nice, Justin. Just no confirmation on that resistance range for me to trust when it dropped. Okay. See, that makes sense, but then you can't really be upset about it. I know you can. It's frustrating because it's frustrating. It's frustrating because you think, oh, it could have been a win, but it could have very easily been a loss as well. Damn, Gothenburg, look at you go. A double S. Am I using leverage? No. Hey, Shannon, how's it going? Well, Knight, I'm waiting for a proper setup first. You know, confirmation that the market is actually good for me. If not, potentially forward testing the 4R strategy. Like looking here. I'm not gonna take it, but curiosity. Wait, where's 4R? There's 4. Okay. So kind of forward testing the 4-hour theory with regards to when it's a slow grind day, is the 4-hour strat the way to go? So like I said, looking at this morning, literally 4 trades where the 4-hour strategy would have worked perfectly. Literally perfectly. So I'm kind of looking into that if it's a slow day. You know, seize the opportunity to do a little bit of forward testing. Have a look, see if we get anything out of it. How much have I made today? Nothing today, JB. Nothing today. I haven't placed a trade yet today. 930 in balance reclaimed. Rambo, what are you hoping for today, by the way? Oh, nice, 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 nice. Good, I guess. Rather be locked out than make silly mistakes, right? Especially if you made such a flipping good trade earlier today. JB long export pick you up in my Lambo. You got a Lambo? That's cool. That's cool. It's gonna be a very long drive, assuming you're not in South Africa. 935%. Okay. Hey Melvin, how's it going? How have you been? XRP long. Yep, Rambo, asymmetrical market conditions freaks me out. I'm not a fan of it. I'm really not a fan of asymmetrical market conditions. So this is not looking promising for today, but let's see what happens. JB, do I know XRP? Yeah, I know of it. I just don't trade it. Not yet anyways. I want to get good at one asset. I started with futures. So I'm trying to get good at futures first. I'm still pretty new. True, Knight, true. But again, the 4 hours need a specific market condition. I mean, it's the same with the 2 hours, right? It needs a specific market condition or else they're not going to work. So today that slow grind down and that slow grind up actually were perfect for the 4 hours trades. I mean, look at this. Oh, I just missed it. That sucks. Let's see if it would have worked. You know, forward testing, never a bad thing. No, Rash, you don't have a supercar? Yikes, really? Is that yikes? I mean, I have a horse. That's yikes. Anyway. Rambo, yeah. So maybe it's a no trade day today. Who knows? Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens at news as well. I don't think this is major news today, but let's see. Knight, that's valid. That's why I'm kind of using today as a little bit of a forward test. Let's see. So this would have missed tagging in by like 8 tick. That would have sucked. That really would have sucked, but anyways. Tomelo? Yes. So this is not pairs. This is Nasdaq futures, by the way. Maybe 20 billion whipped out the market last week. Best time to get in. JB, how much are you up on XRP? There we go. I was like, wait, what is it again? Market manipulation comes down, better to join. Yes, it's dropping crazy until it's done. Oh, cheers, Shannon. Enjoy, I guess. Yeah, enjoy. Hope you have a good day. Mickey Gaming. What? Let's see what comes of this. So it didn't tag in. Bummer. Would have been a goodie. We're going all the way up again. Nope, wrong one. Check that out. On its way there. And Kino, okay. Why on earth do you think I'm a rich girl? But anyways, moving on. Good people give you happiness, bad people give you experience, worse people give you a lesson, and the best people give you memories. Oh, Shannon, that's very profound. Anyways. Bless me, sorry. Whew. What does this now be a good trade? Again, just nothing about today is ideal right now. Need a little bit of confirmation. Music sounds like Final Fantasy. Nice. What is it in 2022 for pennies? That's worth. Damn, JB, that's amazing. Well done. Night Pro, yes, is going crazy. Whoa. Whoa, what the heck? ES looks like this. And M&Q looks like this. What on earth is going on? What? Well done, son. Awesome. Morn Hollow. Hello, hello. Entry with the wick into fair value gap. Was that your entry? Is that what you're saying? I would still be in this trade. I'd be at break even, but I would still be in this trade. If I wasn't doing the 4R one. Let's see. Morn Hollow, do you mark it in or how do you enter? Thank you. Thank you for saying bless me. Hey, Super Trader, how's it going? High candle, high. Okay, Rambo, so you think it's gonna go down? A huge short buys today for Prime to enter back into discount. Okay, Morn, let's see what happens. Sniffies, well done. That's amazing. Whoop whoop. That is awesome. How big are these candles? I'm making it seem like these are not massive. No, flip, these are 20-point candles. They're really not bad. Hey, Dax Patel, how's it going? 2 mil. No, I've been looking at gold. Potentially want to try trading gold someday. Rainbow 929 is order block. This massive one here. You think that's the order block? Should look into power of 3 and how each candle closes on the 4 hour. Okay, one hollow. Let me have a look into this. Okay, value gap intraweek. Ooh, a man demon. Nice. Whoop whoop indeed. That is awesome. You get my newt. No, actually, gold is a woman's best friend. Nah, I've clearly never met horse riders. That's... Sorry, here I'm messing with my hair. That would definitely be the horses. I don't know why, we're just weird. Huh, so this would have been a win if I entered on the 50. Do I think this was going to be an entry on the 50 though? Not really. There. There. Ooh. There. Cool. Sure, I was not expecting that from ES today. Oh my gosh. It's one of those days. Passing supply and being highly underpriced in tech sector as well. Okay. I'm hopping off, done for the day. Even if I see a good entry, these market conditions are not ideal for your strat. Mad Demon. Yeah, you sound like me. It's why I'm being very cautious about all of this. Like you said, this is just not great for my setup today. See the 4R here? Or is this just gonna go back up? Clash King Gamer Sani. I'm using the GAN box. Ooh, nice Rambo. Whoop whoop, that's amazing. The bubble everyone is expecting is actually far away in future. Night? Oh, that would have been an instant freaking loss. Holy moly. What the heck? Okay, I need to sit on my hands until after this news. I don't know if it'll have any effect at all, but let's rather be safe than sorry, right? Hey! There's my entry. Oh my gosh, let's see if this goes down now. That would be hilarious. Simple Key Life. Hey, I'm good, thanks. How are you doing? Big money day today. Simple Key Life, you think so? What do you think's gonna happen? Oh sorry, I need to read everything. Hito, hi, how's it going? Tumal, how many times a week do I go live trading? Every day. Yeah, I'm on live every day, twice a day for London and New York session. Was used to take the 920 sell side. Ah, okay. Interesting, Rambo. Night, yeah, there we go. Tell him. Lock yourself out. I think Mad Day. Oh no, there you go. Waiting for break of structure on the 1 hour. Morn hollow. Okay. Ew, what just happened? Good question I have absolutely no idea, and this is why I wait until at least after news, and I wait for proper confirmation. Damn. I probably wouldn't have still had this open, but this is more for curiosity's sake now than anything else. Mad Demon, honestly, sorry, I'm a little bit slow with reading everything today. Rashi, time to start the trading day. I won't lose. Okay, Rashi, I love the confidence. That was awesome. I closed my log 1 second before it popped up. Oh, Solly, I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. What the heck? Dark Angel, what up? How are you? How's it going? I would say how's the trading week been going, but I know you don't normally trade Mondays, so never mind. So nice price action we expect for FOMC news drops. Well, let's see. 9.49 to now act as support. Eh, well, it seems to be. Rambo, nice. Sniffies, no, I'm so sorry. Boom, you need $500 more. Where'd that Sasha person go? Oh, oh, that was disappointing, though. I think I would have felt bad if they actually did pay $500, but anyways. Chase the Paduki, what? Nice, starts momentum downside. Ooh, okay, but Knight, when is it gonna start with the nice momentum downside? Mornhollow, that's interesting. Live 2 right now, just nice, Chase. Okay, so we just both gonna chin-chill together. I like it, I like it. I see we're enjoying all-time high uncertainty. Hell yeah, Dark Angel, this is so much fun. We're all having the best time. It's all just great and dandy. That's that. This would have missed me by a freaking tick for going down for 4-hour trade. Just saying. That would have sucked, but it's fine. And I probably would not have held for this long. Disappointing. Oh well. A high time frame buys for every session. Mornhollow, that's a good point. I must look into that properly. Solly, do not FOMO. Take your profits and leave. I also want to enter for more since I'm only up 650 today, but I'm not. Right, Solly. RIP, Sasha, but whatever. Whatever, it's fine. Indubitably. Tomorrow afternoon it's gonna tank. NQ is gonna keep going up today. Mad Demon, you really think so? And then tomorrow afternoon it's gonna tank. What time is news tomorrow, by the way? Thomas, no, I didn't. I'm kind of forward testing the 4-hour trade, Thomas, because especially in these slow grind markets, if you will, because this morning, nothing good for my 2-hour strategy, but check out if my entries were at the 0.2, so 4-hour strategy. Perfect. Again, this one would have missed. This would have worked with the 50%, but anyways. Here, perfect, up in the 2, straight down for 4-hour. Then we had a shift after it took out Asia low, which I did expect. So I'm gonna keep patting myself on the back a little bit for that one because I was really proud of it. Again, 4-hour win, and again, 4-hour win was absolutely insane. Check here. I think this one would have also been, let's see. Yep, there's 4R. This, I think, would have missed. Nope. Oh. It may have missed by a tick. Oh no, definitely would have missed. There, would have looked like that. Oh well. So yeah, basically on slow grind days, maybe the 4-hour strategy is just the way to go. And I must just have a look into that a little bit more. But yeah, this one here would have missed me by a tick before going down. That would have annoyed the living daylights out of me. But anyways. Oh. Now I see we just going to have a look and see what happens next. See what the markets bring. To trade this, I was taking my out. Boom, no, Sally. I don't know, Sally might just call it. What? Boom, you're gonna call it? Really? Why? And she's kind of looking for percent of the bearish order block. Oh my goodness. Sorry, a lot of. Tomorrow, if I sent 2 p.m. Thank you, night. Trades are set to rate cap market. Gambling a short call. Mad Demon, yes, so locked up. I saw that. Ah, my goodness. Boom, banana. Mad Demon, how do you add people in chat? Can you not just add and then their usernames? Mad Demon, I'm not actually sure, sorry. Gubs? Hi. Mad Demon, oh my goodness. Thanks for subscribing. Anyways, but I think NQ will keep going up today because a lot of earning gators this week. Put this in. Timo, what tool is that? It's a GAN box. You have discount into liquidity sweeps into your reversal continuation. Yes, more on hollow. Yep. That is. I'm gonna continue go and rewatch Spot. It's a cool night. Let's not use the R word. Hey David, how you doing? Boom banana? Yeah, but you're strict. And you're a bully. No, I'm joking. You're not a bully. Everyone loves Boom Banana. Right? Right. Yes, everyone loves Boom Banana. Oh my gosh. Maybe today is just the day. Aw. Trade Live, NCA, that's very sweet. Thank you. Yeah. Sorry, today's not a great day. But we proceed, right? All we can do is continue forward. Boom Banana, can I not call you? Damn, okay guys, you heard it. Boom Banana doesn't want me to call him, that's fine. No, Solly is younger than you, David, I'm pretty sure. Yes, Solly is younger than you. Nasdaq bearish order block rejection around the 50%. Yes. We're talking about the 4-hour strategy, right? Right, Thomas? Envy, good afternoon. How are you doing? How's it going? I'm just going to wow, 1 hour, 5 minutes. Be looking for faster paced entry and exits. More hollow side. I have been using the 5 minute a little bit more recently. I've been looking for cleaner setups. Today right now for me just looks like trash. That sounds bad. Nice, solid. There we go. Dumbest boom is your brother from another mother. There we go. I've been market reversal. Tunes? Ew, yeah. I mean, you can ask the chat to help you out. I'm definitely not qualified to be a teacher, though. I'm sorry. What, boom? I feel like you are older than me. You are definitely older than me by a few months, but still older. Market is given some entry, proper entry, but only if you know them want to see it. It'll make good for a living. Okay, Sun, what's your sign? KUA, what donut shop do I love? I mean, in South Africa, we don't have lots of options. We have Krispy Kreme or Pick and Pay donuts, I guess. So I guess Krispy Kreme. And it's not even like we have a lot of them. I have to travel far to find a Krispy Kreme. And Maya isn't much older than Boom. I'm not older than Boom. I'm pretty sure Boom Banana is older than me. Boom Banana, when's your birthday? Abraham, what's up? How's it going? You're the oldest mod. Are you, David? No, you're not. LP's older than you. Have I ever tried trading synthetic? No, I have not. No, Rashi, donuts are bogus. Why? Why do you say donuts are bogus? What is this barcoding rubbish today? What the heck, man? I'm gonna end up stabbing myself with this. It's gonna happen, but it's fine. With 5 minutes, me personally have to have extremely precise entries with my conferences. I usually go on 5-minute break structure, go into 1 minute and wait for a week. And they target liquidity. Oh, okay, wait. You usually go on 5-minute break of structure into 1 minute and wait for a wick into that 5-minute fair value gap. Yeah. From their target liquidity. Interesting, Mornhollow. So it sounds similar. So I get the confirmation. I use my fair value gap as a little bit of a confluence. I just don't target specific liquidity. I just go 2R up. Maybe that's dumb, maybe it's not, but yeah, I just stick with 2R. Maybe when I'm more confident, I'll be able to start pushing that a little bit higher. Timel, there's donut places in Cape Town. Yeah, but what donut places? Is it just Krispy Kreme? Because I know there's Krispy Kreme like all over. There's Krispy Kreme in Pretoria. Like I said, there's Krispy Kreme like 30 minutes from me. But again, it's 30 minutes. It's not like it's down the road. So far. Anyone, tips on how to get started? I mean, Tunes, do you have money you don't mind losing? Sanji, no. I'm from South Africa. But hello from South Africa. Back to you, Germany. Anyways, see the mods are having fights. Moving on. Leon, what's up? How's it going? The family says hi. Yeah, go on, Boom. Why not? Why not? Go for it. David, I tried to warn you. Did you guys actually ban Mad Demon? Oh, I liked him. Okay, anyways. I trust my mods. So moving on. Thomas, exactly use on any time frame. Demon saw what Mad Demon said. Yeah. The mods are on a mission today. Nur, hi. I felt weird saying that, but anyways. Hi, how's it going? The target for your liquidity should be that in between of premium and discount. You can only predict retrace. Mark 1, Duncan. Do you have a Dunkin' Donut? I don't have, well, I don't think we have a Dunkin' Donuts down here in South Africa. You're Indian, you're not, your name, I nearly said your name. Your name is Angie. Hi, Angie. You essentially want to target the 50% of the 50% of the total leg of premium discount imbalance. Okay, but how tight is your stop, Morn? Like, what is your trade? That didn't really make sense, did it? How big are your R's is what I'm trying to ask. GX, what time am I done? No, I'm not. I've only been streaming for how long now? Like, not even an hour? Yeah? Not even an hour. I was here this morning. Yeah. I was here earlier today, but then I hopped off for like 2 hours. Had an adventure in the middle of the day before going to see the horses. That was entertaining. Being stuck on the side of the road with 2 stray dogs. Anyways, moving. Well, not stray dogs. They weren't strays. They got loose. But, yeah. Anyways. What's the most name range? Steve, I did see that message. Yes, South Africa is safe. That lots of politics that go into that, but South Africa is safe. One up there could equilibrium and talking equilibrium of the next range. Oh, okay. I think I'm understanding, but again, how big are your R's, Morn? Out of curiosity. 1.86 RR. Oh, sorry. You responded. I just didn't read it. My bad. You get 1.86 RR. That's not bad. Perfect to sum of entry. Where those wicks in the fair value gap. Setting stop loss at top of the wick. Okay. On top of the, damn, your stop loss is tight. The wick liquidity a target. That final leg for 5 minutes strat at least. Okay. I think I'm getting it. I think I could be completely missing it, but I think I'm understanding. Interesting. UCAS, I'm sorry, maybe just I'll call you UK. I'm using top 1 futures. Sorry, David. Sorry, it's been hectic today. David, give me a break. Okay, I'm joking. I'm joking. Boom, your R is big. How big is your R? Is this a fake move? Did anything happen? Not really. There was a doji at that news. Whoa. This is not okay. Yep, son, 100%. More, it's the fair value gap wicks on 9:45. These ones here. Yeah. Have to be there. Okay, so those wicks are there. And then you targeted the bottom. Okay. Wicks on 8. So wait, Monhollow, are you still in this trade? Now I feel like I'm confused again. Yeah. Taps in, goes down to 855. There, around here. So that's your TP? Nanomix! I'm good, thanks. How you doing, Nanomix? How's the trading been? Oh, okay. I was about to say, I was like, what? Okay. 920. Yes, okay. I was about to say, I was like, wait a second. Because these were the ones I was understanding from earlier, so got it. Yeah, and then it came down and took those. And then it just flew up. Johan? Hi, how's it going? I was about to say more, and I was like, that's not a very big one, but anyways. Long AMD antis at the moment. Ooh, nice, Nanomix. Good. Yeah, Thomas were both like, what's happening? But anyways. Aw, sorry, Nanomix, but that's okay, right? Losses are all a part of this game. Is this a bear flag? Bull, bear flag? No, I don't think this is a bear flag. This market's giving me a headache, but anyways. At scary betting into price potentially reversing effect. Yep, but when overall higher time frame trend is down, that's your peak entry. Okay, Mornhollow, that makes sense. It does make sense. What does this look like on the 5 minute actually? I haven't even checked. Still big wicks popping up. I mean, this would have been a goodie. 1 hour? I don't know why I scrolled in so close, sorry. Gonna want to fill this gap. Oh my gosh. Let's see what happens. Nakabamba, you suspect it'll be consolidation and then finally a bearish day. Okay, Nakabamba, let's see. Let's see how this goes. David, really? Are you? Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot of information, David. But anyways, David, how was your day? You sure you didn't go call that girl back who liked that pickup line for some weird reason? Papa, don't lie, you never took that trade. No, I didn't. I'm forward testing my 4-hour strategy. That's why I don't have a tick there. But it looked like this. Right there. So actually my entry was a little bit higher, so it wouldn't have tagged me in. Papa Trife, I'm not here to lie to people. All you have to do is ask. There we go. And then make it 4R. So we go. If I draw it properly, not like a chop, then the 4 is actually no, okay, it's around there. Get the idea. But it didn't tag me in, so it was not an entry. I'm just forward testing a potential for our strategy on. What would I call these days? Slow burn days. I feel like slow burn days is pretty accurate. Hey, some guy, how's it going? How was work? 5-minute break of structure, confirm downtrend, 1 minute wins. Just for entry on those wicks for fair value gap. Okay, I'm on. Oh no, some guy, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. What the heck? If I actually took this trade and just left it open, I don't think I would have, but it would have been working out. Like I said though, I didn't take it. I'm forward testing this. Thomas, I was about to say, what? Oh, Nanomix, careful. I don't need any more enticing. FOMO is hectic. Is Mr. Squiggly Lines in the good or bad? What, this? Are you asking this? Chase, you really like long soon, really? When you use Fibonacci entry, no top-down analysis. Yeah, basically, Papa Try. Yeah, it is what it is. Trading be like that, yeah. Still a win, just could have been a huge win. Yeah, win's a win, right? Green is green at the end of the day. Ooh, nice, Morn. That's awesome. Let's see. Rashi, no. I haven't even actually taken a trade yet today. Yeah. Haven't even taken one today. These conditions are just not ideal for my strategy, unfortunately. So I sit and I wait and do a little bit of forward testing. BBK, Thomas. Would be nice if we have a little AMD happening. Let's see. Have a try to tell a storyline, how I got into trading. So my friend, basically, I was, we're talking about freedom with regards to just freedom from bosses. I don't even want to say work, because this is work, this is hard work. You have to put time and effort into it, but essentially bosses and, financial freedom. And they were into trading, so they introduced me to the basics, and then I thought I would just start popping on live to record the journey of me figuring things out, for lack of a better word, and that was in April. So yeah, Feb, I didn't even know what a candle was. And here we are, and it took me a very long time to find a strategy that I enjoyed, or that just worked for me. And like I said, it's super simple, but simple is better, or else I tend to overthink things quite a bit. Yeah, it's super simple, but it's working. And voila. Sorry, not much more to say. Nanomix. Okay, I'll have a look. Scared money don't make money. No, Rashi. No. Taking dumb trades loses money though. So it's not that I'm scared. It's just I know that it will not work. So why would I take it? Right? Sometimes less is more. What? Mon? That's amazing. Got a nice. Like, am I reading that right? Is that 79? Okay. Murex, I'll have a look. Murex. Sorry. Mon, I'll have a look. Murex, hi. That's what I was trying to say. Hello, Murex. How are you doing? For future reference, when you take liquidity high on the get a big wick. So a rejection block. So shorts make sense. Huh. Thanks, Thomas. So, I mean, this one would have been a win. Like I said, I don't think I would have kept this open for that long, though. Papa Trife, yes. Yeah. Just about to do crazy stuff. Yet safe entry, long gone, partials. Already taken. Ooh! Weather change? Nice, well done. 2,000 this morning. I'm going to call it for the rest of the day. Caution bug. Whoop whoop. That is amazing. Sure. I'm proud of you guys. That's awesome, you lucky fish. Hey, L-Dog. What up? How's it going? Tube Treasure? Hi. How are you? Boom Banana, you think long to the moon. Why? Why do you think that? Is it the wicks? Is it, yeah, what is it? No. Just Prish, literally I have a headache. I literally have a headache. From all of this? Eh, well. Skeletor. A Skeletor. Okay. That I started 2017. Nice. And I'm assuming it's going well, Papa Tribe. PayPal call options. Cool. Which prop firm would be good for a starter? Nisha, well, I mean, depends on where you are and what you're looking for. Funding Ticks is not bad, and I think they're one of the cheaper ones. Well, I mean, you can check out all the ones in my description as well. Go through them, see if any jump out at you. The ones below are just the ones that are allowed in South Africa as well. There's obviously a few that don't allow South Africans. Boo. But yeah, more than welcome to have a look, and then you can even use my code, and you can pop my code and you can see the discount that you can get. Hey Mark G, how's it going? The Richie man, how are you? Thanks. Let's see what today brings, right? Okay, well, it's just taken some liquidity now. But that's cool. Dynamics, do I look at multiple time frames at the same time? No, I don't. Mark G, I was thinking about shorting Nasdaq today. Damn, Rashi, that's not good. My still not officially tapping into resistance area on the stocks. Okay. Oh, Thomas, I'm so sorry. My funded futures is solid for starters. Again, Morn Hollow, depending on where you are, my funded futures is not allowed in South Africa. Yeah. They don't like us South Africans. Very rude. Oh well. That would have been good. Okay, now Just taken out some liquidity. Okay, this is not an A+ setup. Potentially for the 4R strategy, let's see. I even said this morning during London, I said potentially today is just going to be some forward testing these market conditions and seeing if the 4R strategy is the way to go in these market conditions. Funded next is best for starters. Oh, there we go, Papa Trap. There we go. And I do have funded next, so you can use my code with that one as well. So that's cool. Invinia? What am I playing? Nothing. I know, Monhollow. Yeah, Papa Drive, I'm in South Africa. Why? My time frame is still bullish. You're going to see the distribution wing come back up. Oh, interesting. Ah, okay, Papa Drive. Kyle, you're hot. I like it. Thanks. I think. Okay. I mean, it kind of did what I was hoping, but did not respect it enough. Let's see with the 4R. Sorry guys, today we kind of forward testing a little bit. This one did not have enough confluences for me at all. Like I said, potentially the 4R strategy. Or it's just gonna completely disrespect and go up. It's pushing up on ES, isn't it? Yep. Kyle, so I mean, I'm not entering this. Should look into continuation for your strategy alongside reversals. Tool set for market conditions. Okay, Mon. I hear you. How? I think I hear you. Market conditions. How do you enter into the continuations? Whoop, nope, that would have stopped me out very quickly. Because this is the MNQ, the Nasdaq futures. There we go, SS Chaos. Plenty of continuation entries alongside reversals to give you a better edge. Senpai, hi, how's it going? Gonna wait until the next hour because then I want to see the 4-hour gap get tapped for long at 10 AM. Oh, perfect rejection in there. Let's see. That would have been a loss. Like I said, I'm just forward testing this. Having a little bit of a forward test day because these market conditions are not ideal for my strategy. So I sit and wait now. Kyle, you'd be in the shorts. And how do you enter in, Kyle? Do you market in? What's your thing? My model, it would be time to go short, but that is a fractal setup, so it's definitely weaker. Ooh, okay, Thomas. It's not a loss if you wait for the elevator to move down after the rejection. Like that? Flipping, oh. Okay. Sure. Whoa. Thomas, did you get in on this? Okay, Morn, that does kind of make sense. Wait to see if we swing fail yesterday's BTC high. Sort it again in the same game plan as we had took it yesterday. Okay, some guy. Damn. That was a reaction and a half. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, Kyle, 100%. That was a solid freaking trade. Damn. Oh well. Put your entry to where you think masses put their stops. But if that's valid, that is valid. Because I guess, yeah, a lot of masses would have put their stops just above. So to have it above there would have made sense. You would have made 1,000. Damn, look at you go, Kyle. Words of oh, don't worry. No, words of papers. I did have a break in between. Don't get me wrong. I am still tired though. I had an unexpected adventure today. But, you know, it was worth it. It's fine. Ooh, okay, no, then that's awesome, Thomas. I mean, that's a good way to end the flipping day, just saying. Marina, thank you, that's very sweet. I traded 300k wealth charts account. Damn! Damn, Kyle, look at you go. And how long have you been trading for? How are the bears doing? Nakabamba, the bears are fighting hard. Yeah, the bears are looking good. Check something now. I feel like this is a tad bit too large. No, it's actually not. A little bit close though. It's gonna come take it out there. Okay. Oh, 5 years. Nice. And I'm assuming it's going really well for you. I'm assuming. Hey, Mr. Bloodstrike. Hey there from Jamaica. Oh, another Jamaican. That's so cool. How is it over there? I heard there was a hurricane or something. You good? You safe? Hi, Live. Hi, how's it going? Am I not trading? No, not yet. 26 is the target to go long. Hi, Life. I'm waiting for an A+ setup. For me. Hi, Life. Have you gotten into anything yet? Yeah, but Thomas, you know, like you said, woulda, coulda, shoulda. One, two, three. Part of me wants to get into the short. What do we think about this trade? I don't know if it's gonna come in to get me though. Kyle, you think a reversal coming soon? Damn it, never mind then. No hit there. A little bit volatile now, never mind. Hi, Life, it's okay. We can wait together. SS Chaos, what PA mean? PA means price action. Oh, cheers, some guy. Yeah, enjoy. Enjoy the walk. This is just, it's a little bit too close. It could be a good trade. Trades are becoming exhausted and soon the bulls will run it up. Cheers, Thomas. Thank you. Oh, nice. Missed. Cool. Hey, Robert. What's up? How you doing? And Catbox. Hi. How are you? How's it going? Casbox, you sound like me. Yeah, you sound like me. I wanted to take the short, but I'm not liking this candle. Let's see if it would have been a win. Oh, that looks like it's headed straight for stop loss. If it falls down now, I will be a little bit sad. Osvaldo, thank you. Shared with you how my continuation model works in Discord. Oh, thanks, Monhollow. I'm gonna go check it out now. Same concept as reversals, but abiding a high time frame trend. Hey Shiva, how are you doing? I do. How are you? How have you been? Okay, so it is respecting there, but it's not bouncing off how I wanted it to. This would have been a loss. My reasoning for not taking it? I just had a bad feeling. Maybe that's dumb. I just didn't like how it looked. And I feel like I'm overthinking things a little bit too much today. I'm a tad bit in my head. I might end up closing the charts and calling it a day. It's Casbox, damn. Casbox here taking a new rubbish. Anyways. Microwave, no I didn't, sorry. It's been chaotic. It's been chaotic. I haven't had a chance. Literally, I feel like I'm busy 24/7. I don't have a gap to do anything recently. I had a tiny bit of a gap today. And then I had no gap left because... Sorry, you guys are going to get a story now. Basically, I would have had some time, but 30 to 40 minutes was spent on the side of the road because there was dogs running in the road, so I stopped to get the dogs. Oh, someone's gonna yell at me for potentially not taking this trade. Oi, okay. Randos things. Wait, you're a day trader? I am. Rando, so I'm still very new to trading. I only started trading in April, so I'm not profitable yet. Yeah, I'm not profitable yet. I'm figuring it out. But I have... let me touch wood. I haven't blown an account in a while, so that's good. Which means I'm having more green days than red days, which is awesome. No, don't stress, Microwave. That's your story time. Yes, yeah. Random things get up while you still can. Why? Nakabamba, I wish we could have entered that time I predicted with $1,000, but now we could have been dancing. Nakabamba, yeah. But it's fine, right? It's all a learning process. Why do we look like we're stuck here? Are we a little bit stuck here? To give you guys an idea, my trade would have looked like this. I would still be in this. Potentially not for long. Yeah. Nope, looks like it's headed for a loss. Oh, Casbox, you're very sweet. Thank you. I appreciate that. Hey, Casey Carter, how you doing? Random saying, paper trading does not simulate, believe me, we've had lengthy discussions about this. Paper trading does not simulate the emotions, and the overthinking and all that good juicy stuff that actually affect your trades. Theoretically, trading is simple. We get in our own way by letting the emotions and the overthinking take control, which is what I'm working on. So I'm trying really hard to not let FOMO win. I'm trying really hard to be more disciplined with my trades, only taking like the A++++ setups that I'm like, no, this is a good one. Because that used to be my problem. FOMO would just hit me like a truck. I'd also want to get in on a trade. If a bunch of people are in on trades, I would be like, I want to get in on this, and then I would get myself screwed. Just some guy? Hey, we have 2 people with the name some guy. Anyway, sorry. Hi, just some guy. I did pretty good with Hunt last year. Probably should have kept it, but I put it into other things that have been relatively stable. Nice. That's awesome though. So you're an investor. Cool. I love Japan. What time frame? I'm on the 1 minute currently, and whoop. Okay, so that would have been a loss. So I'm glad I listened to myself. Yeah, yeah. I've been waiting 3 days straight for ATM for any position on ES, but it just to keep climbing, waiting for a nice sell. Ooh, okay, microwave. Hey, Michelle. Oh my gosh. Told you there was a reversal coming. I know, Kyle. And see, I listened to you. It's why I had a bad feeling about that trade. See, I do listen, believe it or not. Most of the time. Some days, me. But in general, I listen. The psychology becomes much better once you have a backtested strategy. Every loss is expected to stick. You're overall profitable. Yeah, Mournholic, that's 100%. But my thing that I love to do, it's so much fun, is I love to sit and overthink things. Then I'll sit there and overthink everything about it, which is a problem. Bad, bad, bad. Casbox, regarding that topic, remember last time I mentioned some stuff and you said that it needs a discussion. Yes. Yes. So Rando, what do you do? I'm assuming investing. By backtest, I mean 500 plus trades throughout decent market conditions. More anime? No. Anyways. Damn, D Jones, look at you go. Yeah, there we go, Nakabamba. Yeah. Because of the long candlestick, reverse buy is more powerful, 100%. Solly's right there, don't worry. Yep. This day trading is scam, but yet there are people out there making money off of it. Yep. Internet, I took a trade. I had a winning trade yesterday. That's why part of me wants to almost close the charts today. Just because I have a headache and I feel like mentally I don't know if I'm in the right headspace for trade today. I don't know if that sounds meh. You know, I don't have to trade every day. I didn't have a trade earlier. I just have to remind myself that it's not worth sometimes taking some silly trades if my head isn't on the right space. Like my last really bad day, I had 3 losses, was because my head was not in the right space. So I'm trying to decide if I should maybe just close the charts and call it a day, or stick around, because yesterday, this is what happened. As you know, internet, I was on here, I was sitting, I was waiting for so long, and literally the last 30 minutes, such a beautiful trade, and it was a win. Where was it? Give me a second, let me show you. Heyo, there we go. Check out yesterday's trade. Oh, it was so good. Yeah, but that literally was basically the last half an hour. So it's around a similar time to now, actually. And let's see, this is not looking promising for me. Damn. So maybe it's just a no trade day and I must get over myself, right? Anyways. Just some guy listening to yourself is hard. I kicked myself for not buying video back when I was working on a project making medicine. Damn! Oh no, just some guy. Yeah, but I mean, I feel like it's part of life, right? Shoulda, coulda, woulda. There's a reason there's that saying. D. Jones? Oh, I like that. I like that. Listen to your gut instinct. Your gut is a second brain. Listen, sometimes it's a pain in the butt. Well, oopsie. Well, what I try to help with most of the new traders is with psychology, because of course I won't tell them whoop, how they should trade. They should find that themselves. Yeah, Casbox, that's true, right? I feel like everyone, depending on who you are as a person, has a different strategy that could work beautifully. Beautifully. I've said this a few times before. I don't think there's such thing as a losing strategy if you execute it correctly. Like someone said, theoretically you could flip a coin and that could be a winning strategy if you go, yeah, obviously that's pushing it, but anyways. Well, don't get twisted, trading is gambling. All you're doing is taking a 2% better edge against the house by having solid models. Every trade should be taken with the expectation of blowing money. So, more on Hollow. Sorry, I know a lot of you guys have heard this before and you're probably bored of hearing it, but I changed my perspective the other day. I was having a conversation with DJ the other day. And Bob. And I thought it was actually so nice to think of it like this. So if you go to like university, right, you pay a tuition and you have teachers teaching you for 4 years. So you get paid to be taught and to learn for 4 years. A loss you can almost see as tuition, if that makes sense, right? You can almost see it as you paying towards tuition because you are still learning, you're still figuring things out, except a lot of people unfortunately do not have the benefit of having lecturers or teachers like you amazing guys. But yeah, I thought that was very cool. So I literally changed it to not thinking it's losses, but as paying tuition to learning further. Does that make sense? Sorry. Yeah, very random metaphor, but moving on. This one? You talking about this order block over here? Let's say let this be the last trade for the day. Yeah, probably. Don't say she's not with me anymore. Hey, Ben Joseph. You talking about it? What a perfect entry setup. Yep. Any idea? Wait. Donata? I actually don't. That's a good question. Does anyone have any idea why US or S&P 500 and US 100 had negative correlation today? Check. Yeah, no, you're right, which is why I have not traded today, which I'm kind of proud about, because normally I would let FOMO win and I would have just tried a YOLO trade, which is that. Market didn't care about your emotion, just learn how market play, all about your win and lose your emotion. Yep. Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh, Dark Angel, no! Are you serious? Celestial, wait. Celestial, definitely South African, hell yeah. Did I say yeah or no? You start mapping SMT divergence really help 5-15 time frames on swing highs and lows. Interesting one, yeah. Like I said, I have been jumping. I I haven't really bothered jumping around today because today's price action is trash, but it's fine. Hey, Pirate Rob, what happened? Yes. Morn Hollow, yeah, that's valid. They are similar. They are, so... And it sounds like you and Thomas have very similar. So basically, I just have to refine it now. That's what I'm kind of getting. So take what I have and refine it down even further. Yes? Yo, Shawnee, that's negative. Don't be so negative. Currently at a major supply zone, so expect higher pricing. Shorts are no good now. Oh, thanks, Kyle. Don't stress. I'm not gonna... I don't think I'll manage to get in anything today, unfortunately. So it is what it is. Okay, I feel like I've missed a bunch of messages, so I apologize. I'm gonna have a quick look about didn't answer. How are you dealing with taxes on futures in South Africa? I don't have to worry about that just yet because I'm not profitable yet. I will deal with that when I get there. But as of right now, I'm not profitable yet. So... Sorry, 3D Capital, sorry. I know that's probably not what you were hoping for, but 3D Capital, what you can do if you want to hop onto the Discord, pop me an email, I can send you the Discord link. You can ask LP. LP might be able to help you out with regards to that. Sketchy OGs, why are you saying sorry? You know, please ask questions. So I'm on the 1 minute time frame. I am trying to slowly start looking at higher time frames. I am trying, Morn Hollow, believe it or not. I was jumping around a lot yesterday. Today, this price action I just feel is not worth jumping around today. The only reason. But yesterday I was actually good. The trade I took yesterday was mainly based off of the 5 minute time frame. Sid is paying for this. Kid. Anyways, what am I streaming on? A few things. Why? Should have told you earlier, and even now I'm profiting. Are you in profits? Is that what you're saying? It's a change of phase. Oh, there we go, Shaky. The reason for negative correlation is the change of phase of price delivery. It happens regularly between the Dow and other index futures. Interesting. 100 pretty much. Took me 150 hours to refine where you started to where my models are right now. Yep. See? It's just, yeah, it's gonna be a process. I know that. I did not come into this journey thinking it would be a quick and easy one. But I'm one step away from the next RR, really. Son, you think this is a clean down? Why? Hour, 50 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute. Celestial? Yeah, there we go. So Celestial, you also execute, I guess you could say, your trades on the 1 minute time frame. Rashi, what video games do I play? I haven't played any in a while, which is quite sad, but I mean, I've completed Hogwarts Legacy. There was another one on Xbox that I completed that I cannot for the life of me remember the name. I've been playing Tina's Tiny Wonderland. I tried Battlefield the other day on PC. That was quite cool. Normally terrible, but yeah. Yash, another loss? No, I haven't taken a trade today, Yash. Shiva? No, I don't think so. Hell yeah. See? Clean and peaceful mind. I like it. I'm glad you like the music. Do I make music yet? No. Commenter, no. Ooh, 3D Capital? Yeah. It's difficult, but I made sure that I saved up enough, right? Gotta save up enough. Had to... It's been an adjustment. It's been an adjustment, because I had a full-time job until I moved down to KZN. Yeah. So I did start trading while I had the job, and then I had to move. And with the move, obviously, comes stresses and, but, you know, you make it work. You do what you can where you can. Whether today is a trading day or not. Not intuition, just good bias on whether market volume or full price action on X day. Morn Hollow, that's valid. So, I mean, Morn Hollow, how many trades have you gotten in? Did you just get that one in earlier? Was it one and done? Or... I definitely have patience. Do I do a lot of research? Not enough. Jose, yeah. I do not do enough research. I think that's pretty safe for me to say. I shouldn't have deleted that. Anyways. But yeah, definitely not enough research. Like I said, I was hoping to get a little bit more done today, but a big but is the fact that unfortunately I had an adventure, but that's fine. Justin, I love it. Hell yeah. Culture. Let's do it. I'm also a proper nerd, if you will. I know a lot of you will judge me for this one. Maybe a lot of you don't even know what this is, but I mean, I play D&D as well. Tons of fun. Thoroughly enjoy it. Is there a guy named Thomas here? Shiva, he hopped off the charts. Oh. Michelle. Yes, Thomas hopped off the charts. He was here earlier. CR, hi, how you doing? I'm good, I'm good. Only one today. If volume meets criteria around 1 to 2 p.m. could name major RR. Oh, okay, interesting. Celestial, look up ICT. I've heard about the ICT silver bullet. In all honesty, sometimes the ICT stuff gets... It can be a lot, right? I think that's what I'm trying to say. It can be a lot. Usually folks go from XX. Basically just the friend that introduced me to trading. Yeah, took me here, and I kind of wanted to get good at one asset before I started hopping around. Damn, son, how did you know it was gonna go down? Was it just all this resistance over here? Or was it, did you think it would do a double tap on ES? Because it's kind of a double tap. Mikey Planet, D&D is awesome. Hell yeah! And math rocks are awesome. Moving on. Coming off 3 days of expansion, today is a day to wait. Yeah, shaky. Yeah. Unfortunately, yeah, it seems it's just a no trade day for me. Which is very weird. I don't think I've ever had a no trade day. Normally FOMO or something would get the better of me, and then I would be in, oh! I don't know if I should be proud or upset at myself for not taking a trade, because I mean, there could have been some wins here, but none of them were A+ setups. The closest would have been, I guess, yeah. This was too early. Yeah. Couldn't have taken that one. Have a solid model, just refine it. Thanks, Morn. Yeah, I definitely... Daddy, what up? How's it going? Yeah, Morn, I'm gonna have a look into it. Maybe I can hop on Discord with Thomas one day as well. And maybe I can just refine it even further with him, seeming as he seems to have quite a similar model to you. Okay, Celestial, I'll have a look. Thank you. Thanks for the advice. So, Celestial, I'm assuming South African, right? Was it really? No, the white backgrounds and stuff hurts my eyeballs. I'm surprised this doesn't hurt your eyeballs. I'm surprised the white background, there we go, doesn't hurt your eyeballs. It's a lot. No, Boom Banana. Well, actually, I don't know if Boom Banana is still on. I think it's just, for a lot of people, this is a no trade day, so a lot of people have hopped off because they didn't think it was worth just sitting here watching, waiting, which is valid. You probably haven't lost enough. Give you the fear of breaking your rules. Shake? I feel like I have, and that's why I have not taken trades today. Believe me, I've done this before where I let FOMO win and then I sit here and I feel like an absolute fool. And then once FOMO has won, then revenge trading takes over because now I'm grumpy that I took bad trade. So then I start trying to revenge trade. It's like a toxic disaster. Oh, nice, Celestial. So, Celestial, do you use prop firms or what's your thing? What do you do? You should only feel proud if you're not wondering if you should be feeling proud or not. Mikey, you hurt my brain a little bit with that sentence. Please elaborate for that one. Thanks for US government market feels soulless. Damn, internet. Look into standard deviations. You're always taking on distribution wings. I'm gonna quickly copy paste this. Let's put this into. Okay. Like I said, guys, you should see my freaking notepad with all the things I have put down. It's actually insanity. Celestial? No, 100%. Right? I think that's it. Words of papers. Why my live always coming to scrolling? Because it loves you. Boom Banana, damn. Boom Banana coming with the what? Oh, Jose, that's interesting. Ooh, tube treasure. Whoop whoop. That's amazing. Well done. Oh, thanks. Thanks, Michelle. 3D Capital. So I'm on a prop. I think props, especially if you're new, there's been some debates on this one. Yeah, there's been some debates, but for me, personally, I think props are just helpful to not blow through your capital quickly. If you're still new and you're figuring things out and you're getting emotions and your rules and your oh my gosh, English bundles depleted and it's only Tuesday. Discipline. My brain was saying deception. I'm like, what? Anyways, while you're sorting out your discipline and yeah, I think it's just a good way to not just blow through your capital super quickly. It's almost a little bit of a cushion for beginners in general. I'm not sure if you agree. Prop from best if you come off of a demo then live, in my opinion. Nice, Celestial. There we go. So, Celestial, are you on a prop firm still? Which prop are you using? Good educator on standard deviations, mistakes to lab. Morn Hollow, for a second I thought you meant like the actual cartoon. And I was like, I used to watch that when I was a kid. Sorry, I've now realized that that is a person. We'll go have a look, thank you. I'll never forget that now. Mikey Planet, valid. 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 That is valid. Because part of me goes, but I could have just tried to take this, you know. It's very easy to say, this would have been a win. after it's done doesn't mean I should have taken it. Tube Treasure, just some small scalps. Still, a win is a win, Tube Treasure. Well done. Use a cent account. Check, I've actually never heard... What is a cent account? If I go to October 10th and watch till today, you'll see the entire AMD model play out with each hitting 2 to 2.5 deviation ratio. Let me copy paste this as well. No, don't do that. Bad. Here we go. What season is it in South Africa? Here it's winter, so it is summer. Yeah, so opposite. Summer here. Deception check. Mikey, there we go. Maybe that's it. Roll for initiative. Let's see how this goes. Oh, flip. Celestial risk management is key. Yes, it is. Tube Treasure, yes, down for the day, but if something comes up, you'll take it. Cool. Oh, cool. Okay. Check, I've never heard of that. Interesting. And thanks to all the new subs, by the way. If you are at least having a good general conversation and learning quite a bit, like I am today, damn. I know obviously wasn't able to get a trade in, so I guess a little bit of a boring day on the market, but if you're at least having a good old time and enjoying the community, please don't forget to like the channel. That would be awesome. Thank you, thank you. And for those of you, if you want to help and support, it would be amazing. All of my affiliated props are in the description below. You can use my code, it's TeachMaya, and yeah, it will help you get a discount as well, which is awesome. Vishal, what do I like? Summer, winter? I don't know. It's complicated because I don't like the cold. But I feel like when it's too hot, there's nothing you can do about it, versus when it's too cold, there's something you can do about it. So yeah, because I get cold really easily. I think everyone judges me because at like when it's 16 degrees, I have like 3 jerseys on. How are we looking? Wow. Yeah, today's just not great, is it? One hour going down slightly. So it did close this gap. Earlier it was not closed yet, so yeah. That's a lot of liquidity sitting underneath, but anyways. And now it's just barcoding. What, maybe start streaming live. Oh, 3D Capital. So basically I thought, number one, a great way to capture the journey. Believe me, if you want to see some freaking chaos, to go see some of my first streams. It's disaster. Absolute disaster. But anyways, so number one, cool to capture the journey. Number two, the community. I mean, like today, for example, today is pretty boring. Let's just be real. This price action for some people is ideal. Good for you guys, I'm jealous. But for a lot of people, this is just boring boring. So to have a community where we can sit and chat and discuss the markets and discuss what's going on and, you know, learn together, I think that's pretty cool. It means we're not completely bored. Number 3, like I said, very well aware that I am no expert at all, and to get advice and helpful tips and just to learn from people who have been doing this for years, I thought it just made more sense than me trying to blindly find my way through the internet. Because wow, that's a rabbit hole too. Yeah, that's a rabbit hole. So yeah, I thought, you know, to actually have proper communication with actual people that have done this and are enjoying it, and, you know, have this community that loves each other, I thought it was really awesome. Charlie Kim, what's a scam? What's up? Is this what you call forward testing, Jose? Yeah. Oh, cheers, Celestial. Bye. Enjoy. Showing 10 funded accounts, copy trading, pre-model. Damn, on. Yeah, that's hectic. Yeah, so like I said, if you go back and if you check some of my first ever streams where I'm still trying to figure some things out, put it that way. Like I didn't have a strategy. Disaster. Theoretically, more to give you an idea, theoretically, I only found the strategy middle of, I think middle of August, beginning of September. So I've only been using the strategy for 2 months now. And like I said, I've been enjoying it. I've butchered it a few times where then my brain just got in the way. I mean, I've butchered it where I just didn't take the trade again because my brain got in the way, but yeah. Hey gamer, what's up? What forex am I trading right now? I'm not trading forex. How much have I made by trading? Nothing yet. So I've only been trading since April. Like I said, guys, I wanted this channel to be open and honest about everything. It's why I literally have my P&L and my balance and my 50k account. Everything is up here for everyone to see. I want this to be open and honest. Like, this is not a quick, easy way to become a millionaire. Believe me. This is a journey. Thanks. Let her find. You really think it's this? Oh, interesting. Taking 10 trades a day during the start of my model, thinking I was seeing setups everywhere. Yep, Moonholler, 100%. It's quite scary. Like I said, looking back, I think one day I should just go and watch. I don't know if I will be able to. I think I'll just be cringing the whole time. Because I was like, oh, and I thought I was so cool because I was seeing these things and I was like, look at me go. And I was like, oh, never mind. No patience, just jumping in, risking too much. Oh, it was disgusting. Anyways, I guess it's part of the journey, right? No, Vishal, what? No. Prosper, what up? How are you? Hi. Hi. Okay, well, looks like there's no setup for me today. I might be calling it here, guys. Sorry. Yeah, no trade today, but it is what it is. There was just no setup today. Maybe one day when I'm big and cool like Morn, I'll be able to see some better things and then I'll be able to get in. But until that day, until that day comes, I guess days like this are just not meant for little old Maya to be trading. Fine. No, Yasha, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, but don't worry. You know, red days, green days, they all happen. Mikey Planet, you're speaking facts right now. Risk management is a thing. I play on Forex. No. No. Also, I don't know if play is the right word. I trade on the Nasdaq futures. Play sounds like I'm... yeah. Really get biases straight. You'll see where the actual setups come from. So I mean, more... maybe when I'm more confident with it, but I must say this morning, maybe I do. Maybe I deserve a little bit of a pat on the back. It's why I've even left it up. This morning I said, I remember popping onto the London, popped on at 9, and I said it's going for the Asia lows and then it's going to pop back. Oh, it's what I believed. It's what I predicted it would do. And it did. It popped down, took Asia lows, and then started just pumping up. So maybe I should have just listened to myself with regards to that. So I was quite proud that I was able to... I want to say guess that, but that sounds bad. But predict that. There we go, that is better. Prosper, can I explain a neutral flag? No, I can't. What is neutral flag? I know of bull flag and bear flag. What is neutral flag? Is that just where everything's going sideways and it's slowly starting to coil before the big movements? Is that maybe what neutral flag is? Well, on Forex, 85% lose, so players are good work. Damn. Hey, Southpaw. Ah, I'm about to head off. Where you been? How are you doing? Good morning to you. Yes, but it is good afternoon for me. Hey, there we go, Mon. Yep, there we go. I like that. High probability prediction. With multi-time frame analysis alignment, take the guesswork out of those predictions a bit more. Will allow you to act with more confidence. Yeah, like I said, I was really good yesterday. Today, like I said, I haven't really bothered looking at the higher time frames because there's not much going on for me right now. But yesterday I was really good at looking at a bunch of different time frames the whole time. I was quite busy yesterday. It was good. And well, you're at work. Oh, boo, Southpaw. That sucks. But gotta do what you gotta do, right? Like a bullish rectangle. Huh. Yeah, Morn. Okay, so it gets deep. It gets deep. A to the egg. Oh no, A to the G. There we go. Nah. Anyways, A to the egg. I'm so sorry. More expensive after hurricane. I mean, probably. I don't know. Sorry, I don't really. Yeah, I don't really do that. So I'm not sure. I will. Okay. I'll check that 1,000%. That must be you. Okay, guys. Then I'm gonna call it there. This is yucky. This is sugar honey iced tea. If you get what I'm saying. So I'm gonna call it there, guys. Sorry, I know today was quite boring, but I've learned a hell of a lot. I've learned a hell of a lot today. So, oh, hi George. Sorry, I'm about to leave. Sorry. Yeah, I've learned a hell of a lot. This is gonna be very entertaining going forward. I say entertaining, but learning curves. After learning curves, after learning curves. Trading is not easy. I think that's where a lot of people are mistaken. I think some people think they're gonna hop into trading for a quick and easy buck, and then they realize that it actually takes a lot of work. Aw, thank you, Preacher. I appreciate that. You're so sweet. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna call it there. I think I need a good night's sleep, and then I'll be back tomorrow. I'm excited for tomorrow. I think everyone thinks it's gonna be great tomorrow, so I'm excited. Let's same time, same place tomorrow. Let's do this. I'm super excited. Again, if you guys had fun, please don't forget to like the stream. It'll be greatly appreciated. Let's grow the community of amazing people like yourselves. And if you want to show some support, if you're with any of the prop firms in my description below, you can use my code. Hey, Wolfie, where have you been? Sorry, I just saw your name pop up. Oh, love you, Wolf. Okay. Yes. But yeah, if anyone is with any of the prop firms or wants to help support, you can use my affiliate code, which is TeachMaya. Okay, I'm gonna call it there. Sorry, I'll stop talking your ears off. I love you guys so much. I'll be back for London session tomorrow. Love you guys. Bye.